Compact and convenient. A review of the 7-feet foldable pool table. Are you tired of having to choose between enjoying a game of pool and utilizing the limited space in your home? Well, say goodbye to that predicament because we have found the solution for you. Introducing the best 7-feet foldable pool table on the market. This innovative piece of furniture combines the excitement and thrill of playing pool with the convenience and versatility of a foldable design. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or have a spacious basement, this foldable pool table is guaranteed to provide endless entertainment without compromising on space. Number 1. Editor's Choice GoSports Billiards Table. The GoSports 6-feet or 7-feet billiards table is a top-notch table suitable for fun and competitive games for players. Made of steel, the billiards table has a heavy-duty steel frame that ensures that it is stable and sturdy without movement. With a compact design, the GoSports table is pre-assembled and packaged to make it easy for players to set up instantly out of the box ready to play. Players can simply fold the legs out to set the table up and begin playing their games. The quality premium felt surface of the table allows players to get on with their game on a smooth surface, ensuring that the classic billiards fun is enjoyed to the maximum. With its compact size, the GoSports billiards table is perfect for game rooms, apartments, offices, or anyone who doesn't want to deal with a full-size table and can easily be stored anywhere. The GoSports 6-feet or 7-feet billiards table comes fully packaged with a full set of balls, 2 cue sticks, chalk, and felt brush. What we like: large playing surface, long warranty, felt brush included, durable design, sturdy frame, easy to level. What we don't like: heavy, more secure leg locking. Number 2. Best Compact Portable Pool Table CHH Folding Pool Table. The CHH company is a well-known one for specializing in quality gaming tables and products for many years. This CHH pool table is one such product, a great foldable option that can be used by both adults and children comfortably. It can be used for learning on or playing competitively and can be set up in any size game room. Though it's been designed for younger players, customers have said this table plays and feels like a full-size pool table, making it a very versatile table at a price like this. The CHH folding pool table is made with stylish and solid hardwood construction, lightweight folding metal legs, and synthetic green felt with a great texture for smooth rolling. The legs can be leveled to make sure you're getting an even playing surface every time. The table is low enough for children to play, but high enough so adults can play comfortably and without much strain. Included with the CHH pool table are the basic accessories: a full set of pool balls, a triangle rack, a table brush, a pair of cues, and 2 pieces of chalk. Though this table offers great playability, the missing feature that makes it fall just short of being the best is the bumper rail system. Without it, balls will bounce off the edge slower and banked shots become less accurate. Given its versatility, quality performance, and compact size, the CHH pool table is our best compact pool table on this list. What we like: lightweight and space-saving, hardwood construction, great playability, durable. What we don't like: no bumper rail system. Number 3. Best Multiple Game Rack Scorpius 7-foot Multi-Game Pool Table. The Rack Scorpius 7-foot game billiard pool with table tennis in red is the ultimate addition to any game room or entertainment space. This multifunctional game table offers hours of entertainment with 2 games in 1, billiards and table tennis. The Rack Scorpius 7-foot multi-game table is one of a kind in its own element of game tables. The ability to switch games back and forth in seconds makes the Scorpius the most versatile game table in the Rack collection and gives you the best of both worlds. What we like: heavy-duty, rock-solid stability and sturdiness, quick and simple installation, superior quality pool table, lifetime warranty. What we don't like: the price is high. Number 4. Atomic 7-inch Hampton 3-in-1 Combination Billiards Table. The Atomic Hampton 3-in-1 is billiards, table tennis, and dining in one. It is the ultimate multifunctional table addition to your game room, ideal for the entire family. The Hampton features a modern contemporary gray wood grain finish with heavy-duty quality construction, durable enough to handle switching from one function to the next every day. What we like: ultimate multifunctionality, modern, contemporary design, easy and instant transformation. What we don't like: none we could find. Number 5. Best Pool Table Overall Hathaway Logan 7-foot Pool Table. Save space in your game room, family room, or rec room with the Logan Pool Table. Designed to easily convert from a tabletop to table tennis to billiards, This table ensures a great experience and hours of family fun. Inspired by the rustic charm of a country farmhouse, the Logan pool table has simple lines and a hardy build. Its barnwood melamine finish showcases the rich grain and natural imperfections of reclaimed wood. What we like: space-saving innovation, rustic charm, tournament-tested design, quality construction. What we don't like: the table is not light enough for one person to move. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.